Good afternoon and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Today join me in the parking garage for Universal Studios and Universal Studios Island of Adventure. We're going to have a wander around both parks today. As in here we've got some dinosaurs going on there. We're going to go to Jurassic Park. We're going to go see Harry Potter and all of that good stuff. So we've started the day at Islands of Adventure, where the adventure begins. So here's the Hulk. I'd done that the last time. I won't be doing it this time because, oh my god, does it bang my head off the restraints. That is the very definition of a headbanger roller coaster. Time for Skull Island Reign of Kong.
Expedition vehicle. Please keep up with the team ahead of you. Also,
honest opinion about Kong? Meh. That one's next. Jurassic World.
Terry getting a YouTube shot. Are we ready?
Behind the scenes footage.
The big one's coming. It's taking a long time. Terry's still waiting.
Time for Jurassic Park. And to get wet. That's what she said.
Duck-billed dinosaur is a gladiator with a large body and long legs. Terry is a
Uh-oh.
That doesn't look good.
That doesn't look good. That doesn't look good. Well, I am absolutely drenched after that one. Yeah. I'm going to try Velocicoaster next, I think. Velocicoaster time.
Wallets, phones, loose change, and smaller items must be placed in complimentary lockers.
So that's Velocicoaster done, and I am absolutely positive that I fell off that ride at least 6 times. Like, I was positive I fell off it. I'm sure it flipped me upside down and caught me on the bottom track because, yeah, you have a lap bar on it. And it does things like that. Twists upside down, all that sort of good stuff. But I'm positive my hips were beyond the lap bar on multiple occasions. So once you walk across this bridge and through these gates, you're no longer in Jurassic Park, and you're heading into the Lost Continent. That's Lost Continent, not Incontinent. That's completely different things. That's what happened when I was on Velocicoaster. We just had a very expensive beef kebab from the Lost Continent. I hope it doesn't make me incontinent. Anywho, didn't bother filming it because there was nothing really special. It was just a small kebab, but very expensive. So leaving there and heading into Hogsmeade. Oh well. A slightly busy part of the park. Time for Hagrid's Mythical Creatures, the motorcycle ride, which I have to sit on the motorcycle and not in the sidecar because I'm too fat for the sidecar. So if you're bigger, you have to sit on the bike.
Clever and useful they are. Right, off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the Forbidden Forest. To run down the streets before they set fire to anything else. They just don't know what they're doing. About those bikes, but I didn't think they'd take all of you to the Forbidden Forest. Just hang on. Oh, and don't mind Bumpy. His barks are worse than his bites. No, don't panic. I'll just, oh no. Looks like you've lost power. I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo. Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic. Oh, crikey, you're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Solet after me. Lumos Solet. That was close. Oh, you found my missing street. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, big those purple buttons. Hold on. Dragonfire's got a kick. Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn. And look, she's...
And inside of Honeydukes, you get all of your sweeties. Fudge flies, peppermint toads, you know, all the good stuff. Chocolate frogs. And if you want a chocolate frog in a collectible tin, oh yeah. Look at this lot.
Guys, we're losing on.
Time for Seuss Landing. 1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, 3 fish, 4, 5, 9, 10. I don't know the words. And one of the best stores on the park. Sweet candy cookers. And the most thrilling roller coaster of the park, of course, is this one. The High in the Sky Seuss Trolley Train Ride.
Can I tell all of you my favorite story here today? Yes! Oh, fabulous! Thank you so much. Mr. Cat, what you doing? Are you going to tell a story? Are you ready? All right, which one?
The
do you think?
Grinch.
Which one? Except when you don't, because sometimes you won't. I'm sorry to say so.
And the trolley train goes through this dining area.
Places you off and away, all the places you'll go. There is fun to be done.
The Circus McGurkus, the world's greatest show.
Now if you got problems with your happen, I can fix that. I'm the fix-it-up champion. If you want stars like a star-based...
So I decided to get some of these whoopie pies, whatever that may be. Not bad then. So it's time to catch a Hogwarts Express train to get over to the other park, because later on we're doing Halloween Horror Night, but that's a completely different video.
Looks like a bunch of fish here.
Let's keep looking.
And just like that, we've took the Hogwarts Express from Universal Islands of Adventure to Universal Studios just Universal Studios Florida. And we're getting waves. And just like that, we are in King's Cross. Hey, and there it is, Newcastle. That's where we're from. The park is now currently gearing up for the Horror Nights, which starts in about an hour. So we're going to go to Mel's Drive-In before it turns into Mel's Die-In for something to eat, and then I'll sign the video off. Well, as Savage Mr. says, I gotta eat. Shh. Anywho, so see you all in the next one, which will be Halloween Horror Nights in about an hour. Now it's time to do your job.